Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we're talking about the KitchenAid Meat Grinder. This thing is awesome. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, guys. But it fits just like this, right inside of there. Super simple, super easy. You just tighten that down and there you go. Now, the awesome thing about this, guys, is it also comes with different sizes of meat grinders. So you can customize the different sizes of meat that come out of this. It already has the big one already inside here. Now this thing, guys, is awesome because you can choose different types of meat cuts to put in here. You can choose the fatness of the meat. You can throw different herbs and stuff in there and mix it up with the ground meat. It's just a lot better than the ground beef you buy at the store or just the already frozen patties or something like that. This thing is just so easy to clean as well. It's just very convenient, guys. And that has to be my favorite thing about it, guys, is the fact that you can customize everything. If you want, a leaner piece of meat, you can use that. If you want a fatter piece of meat, you can use that. If you want to combine different meats, you can do that. It's also useful for other types of ground meats. Whatever you want to put through this, guys, it's actually really awesome. And I highly recommend it. It's a great product and great quality, and it's just awesome. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.